Every movement we make is affected by gravity and the air that surrounds us. This can be overcome with more power, or with shapes and materials designed to slide more easily through the air. Without the science of aerodynamics, airplanes wouldn't exist and cars wouldn't look the way they do today. Built in 1976, the FCA wind tunnel in Orbassano, Italy, located near the design department at the group's Mirafiori complex, enables continuous interactivity between design and testing. This state-of-the-art facility was one of the first in Europe to enable aerodynamic testing on full-scale models. As a complement to the physical measurement technologies, the tunnel is also equipped with the most advanced electronic calculation systems available. During its 40 years of activity, the facility has been continuously upgraded to reflect advances in technology and, even more importantly, changes in consumer expectations. Aerodynamics is a term that we often associate with sport and high performance. In reality, the benefits of aerodynamic optimization are just as important for the cars we see on the road every day. The vehicle's ability to penetrate the air is key to optimizing energy efficiency and reducing CO2 emissions. Boosting a car's drag coefficient by 0.05, for example, can reduce CO2 emissions on an average vehicle by up to 10 grams per kilometre. So what is a wind tunnel exactly? It's essentially a large tube in which airflows are directed at vehicles at various speeds to simulate real-world driving conditions. The Orbassano wind tunnel is capable of producing wind speeds of up to 210 kilometers per hour. All vehicle types are put to the test, from city cars to luxury sedans to 4-ton commercial vehicles. The tests in the wind tunnel measure the air's braking force on the vehicle using a highly accurate set of scales with a tolerance of about 50 grams on vehicles weighing 80,000 times that much. Let's take a step back and see how physical aerodynamics testing is integrated into the virtual design process. Computational fluid dynamics analyses enable virtual development of models that are already very close to the predetermined performance targets. This significantly reduces time to market for new models. Extremely detailed one-to-one scale milled models are used for wind tunnel testing. Boot and engine cover, bumpers and air vents, external mirrors and underbody are all replicated to create a model that is up to 99% faithful to the final product. This means that most of the physical tests can be conducted before the pre-series vehicles are produced. In the real world, it is the car that moves. Naturally, in the wind tunnel, the vehicle stays still, while the airspeed and the position of the floor are changed, allowing for the ground effect also to be simulated. The direction of a vehicle can also be altered using a rotating mobile platform. This enables the impact of a crosswind on the vehicle's overall dynamic performance to also be measured. At the Orbassano wind tunnel, FCA also conducts benchmarking tests to compare the aerodynamic performance of its vehicles to those of its competitors. Outside the wind tunnel, other tests are also carried out at the Orbassano facility, including those conducted in climatic wind tunnels to measure engine cooling and comfort levels inside the vehicle at extreme temperatures, and comfort tests, which verify the level of aerodynamic noise perceived from inside and outside the vehicle. These tests are carried out using crash test dummies fitted with microphones at ear height. Like all FCA development and testing units, Orbassano forms part of a global network. The state-of-the-art aeroacoustic wind tunnel in Auburn Hills, Michigan, which has been in operation since 2002, employs the same closed-circuit or Göttingen-type tunnels as Orbassano, with a measurement section which is 3/4 open. The Auburn Hills facility can simulate wind speeds of up to 260 kilometers per hour. The FCA design teams in Latin America and Asia Pacific work with the Orbassano facility when developing products for their local markets. Because FCA applies the same standards and methodologies worldwide, subsequent phases of testing can be performed at group facilities located in any region. In addition to vehicle testing, the Orbassano wind tunnel is also used for a wide range of applications outside the automotive sector. From fine-tuning aerodynamics to break records, to preparing teams for competition, to development of specialized equipment and acrobatics, all in a totally unique environment. At the Orbassano Wind Gallery, it's the air that commands, and the air that shapes ideas, products, and dreams.